Okay, y'all. Hey, this is Graham Bynum with Uptown 101. So we're doing just a quick walk through this beautiful one-bedroom den at the Brava. It's just gorgeous. So we're actually starting in the living room. The living room is monstrous. This is a huge. This is like twice the size of living rooms that I usually see in luxury apartments. And then of course you're going to have your floor-to-ceiling windows. Well, I'm sorry, not quite floor-to-ceiling here. We're saving that for the bedroom, but really, really nice views and plenty of windows that are here. So huge area to work with. But then there's the piece de resistance, which is the kitchen. The kitchen is just lovely. Look at this kitchen. It's going to have the best appliances, all new stainless steel Bosch appliances. It's going to have gas stove Bosch as well. But look at the level of detail. You've got the gray top cabinets. You've got the quartz countertops here. Elegant faucets. A huge farmhouse sink, and just beautiful brown cabinet fronts. Just a lovely, lovely apartment. Now this is a one bedroom with a flex den area. The second bedroom, second bath it's actually a full bath. So this is a very delightful plan in particular. And there's this beautiful island too. So hey, reach out to me at the number below. We'll get you more information about this place. Just send me a quick text at the number below, and talk to you soon.